This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread in a mug updated. Mash 1 ripe banana in a microwave-safe mug, then add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Stir once until combined, scraping the sides, and fold in a pinch of baking powder and a dash of cinnamon. Microwave for about 90 seconds until set, let cool slightly, then enjoy warm. Use simple swaps to personalize your mug banana bread in minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla, or swap for 1 tablespoon peanut butter for deeper flavor. Toss in 1 tablespoon chocolate chips or chopped nuts for texture without changing cook time. If your banana is small, add 1 tablespoon applesauce or milk to loosen batter. Remember to pause and smell the aroma when you open the microwave for a cozy moment. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing fast recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for kitchen timers and messy hands because it seals tight and fits cup holders, making snack prep easier. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you like. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Microwave power makes the biggest difference, so begin with 75 to 90 seconds and add 10-second intervals if still gooey. Allow the mug banana bread to rest for 1 to 2 minutes so the center finishes cooking and is safe to eat. Use a small spoon to loosen edges, then tip onto a plate or enjoy straight from the mug. Finish with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of sea salt for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.